We have come towards the end of our episode. I am Thulasizwe Nkabinde. I am your host. This is what we have covered already. Lyrics writing, rehearsing, quality recording, stage name and artist identity, copyright protection, music code registration, distribution, quality control. In the next episode, we will go deeper into how music royalty work, the difference between publishing and master rights, understanding ISRC versus UPC, why most upcoming artists never earn money, and how to avoid that. If you need help registering SAMRO, CAPASO, RISA, SAMPRA, IMPRA, ISRC, UPC, or DistroKid, come to KQ Records of Salvation. We only charge 100 Rand per code registration assist. We also have 2 artist management contracts, full artist management agreement, song-specific management agreement. You can come to the studio to sign one if you want professional guidance. Contact 071 450 5692 or 072 104 7556. Address 1363/16 Lindela, Wesile Street, Folkrust, Vuguzake. Thank you. See you on the next episode.